About this item: easy installation and setup, no need to run cables all over your house to connect the NVR and cameras. Simply mount the cameras, plug in the adapters and go. Connection between the NVR and cameras is through your internet. Motion clip alerts on phones, receive an alert and a short video clip on your Zmodo app whenever motion is detected, and customize which areas on the camera's live view will trigger an motion alert, thus to prevent unwanted alerts and only get notified by alerts that really matter. Remote and local playback, cameras are built with excellent quality for 24/7 HD monitoring jobs, and video feed will be saved to your hard disk. Watch the playback either locally on your monitors, or remotely on your phones through Zmodo app. 500 GB hard drive is included in the package. Regarding HDD, a SATA 2.5 hard drive is compatible with this NVR intelligent recording. Optimize the storage capacity with Zmodo's intelligent recording. The NVR records at fewer frames per second when no motion is detected, and at maximum during motion. Professional customer support, lifetime US-based tech support. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: easy installation and setup, no need to run cable